Hello, guys. Maybe you're just wondering, this is just a dream? Panaginip lang ba to? Kasi we are here in the Golden Gate at sa tingin nyo, pangarap lang ba ang makakarating dito? Pero kapag sasabihin kong kaya nyo at makakarating kayo dito, maliliwala kaya kayo? Anyways, hello everyone. And we are live. So I've showed you the beauty of the Golden Gate. We are here again in Presidio Tunnel Tops National Park. And by the way, good morning, good afternoon, good evening all over the world and where you are tuning in right now. So by the way, to those who are first time to see me, and you might see me every day because we have this 90-day success challenge ongoing right now. And by the way, my name is Julie, and again, I'm a business owner and a mentor. And we help individuals to jumpstart their online businesses that is life changing. And yes, I'm here in San Francisco, Golden Gate, Presidio, Tunnel Taps. It's one of the military base before back in World War II. And yes, time check muna tayo. Today is, what time today is? 1:12. 12 in the afternoon. What's the date today? September 24, 2024. And I'm here again on your screen because yes, we have this 90-day success challenge ongoing right now, and today is our 65 day. Oh, 65 days na. Lumalapit na, OMG. Nandito kami ngayon. Every day we have a certain topic which we share our insights, our opinions, our stories, and our experiences regarding on each topic that we discuss every day. And for today's topic, we will gonna be discussing about building importance of building a relationship in the business. So, bakit ito ang ating topic ngayon? It's because I have a business. I have a digital online business, and just to inform everyone that this digital online business is a business that you can go handy. Diba? Kasi tulad dito, on the go talaga siya. I'm here in the Golden Gate Presidio, Tunnel Taps, and yes, I just want to show you the Golden Gate. Yeah, natatakpan na ng mga ulap. And yes, our topic is building importance of building relationship in the business. So, ano nga ba ang importance ng building a relationship? Bakit you still have to build a relationship? Pero alam niyo, because we are in a affiliate marketing and we're affiliated in a company that is already 50 years. Imagine, 50 years na yung company. Uh, Let me just double check. So we're talking about I just want to share that yes, I am on a digital business, and we are affiliated in a company that is already 50 years. Oh, imagine 50 years na sila sa industry. But what's the secret why they are they are already 50 years, umabot sila ng ganong katagal? So bakit nga ba sila umabot sa ganong katagal? 50 years. Imagine, bakit? so, so, ako rin, nagtaka bakit 50 years? Pero, yun yung maganda. At saka yun talaga yung hinahanap ko. Yung yung company na to, dahil when I went to their convention, their 50th convention sa Japan, I was able to see the beauty kung bakit siya tumagal ng 50 years. It's because Because talagang maganda ang relationship niya sa kanyang mga distributors. And yung nakakamangha pa doon, hindi lang basta maganda yung relationship. Talagang he considered it as a family, lahat ang mga distributors niya or mga business partners niya. Which is, wow, talagang yun yung isang nagpa-antig sa akin na, oh, I have to join this business and I'm very, very happy that I'm here in the business. Pero bakit nga ba kailangan ng magandang relationship? What's the importance of having a good relationship with your business partners? It's because I only have three main reasons. So, yung reason ko na yun, kasi lahat sila top one. I usually go with three, right? And I have yung pinakauna ko yung top one. Pero sa topic natin ngayon, lahat sila top one ko lahat. Kasi having a good relationship means there is an emotional support on your business partners or in your business. And I found that in this company that we are affiliated with, especially nung pumunta ako ng convention, doon ko talaga nakita, emotional support. The next one is inspiration. Uh, Saan ka makakakita ng isang company na lagi kang ini-inspire? And I was surprised when I went in there. I was able to see lahat ng mga tokens, lahat ng mga letters, mga simpleng letters, mga appreciation cards, at saka lahat ng mga pictures ng kanyang mga distributors nandun sa isang building, which is he really appreciate those persons who are who are who are in his business. Kasi wala nga naman yung business mo kung wala yung mga tao na nasa baba mo, 'di ba? Na tumutulong sa iyo or mga nag-appreciate or mga nagpapakita o nagpo-promote ng mga products or ng business mo. And the third one is belongingness. Wala to sa ayos, lahat sila top. But the belongingness also, you really feel that you really belong in that company because when you go there, mag-step ka pa lang sa company, oh my gosh, you will really feel the welcomeness, di ba? The hospitality that you are welcome in that company. And especially showing the appreciation, yung appreciation pa lang na yung bibigyan ka ng puno, yung picture mo nandun na sa wall niya. At saka yung pinaka nagustuhan ko doon at saka yun yung talagang dream ko na gusto kong abutin. Gusto kong magkaroon ng puno sa Japan. So yun talaga yung sinabi ko sa sarili ko at saka yan talaga yung minamanifest ko. I will plant a tree in Japan and under my name. Oh, saan kayo makakakita nun? So yan yung importance na having a good relationship with your business partners. And how will you do that? There are so many ways on how you do that. For example, is giving appreciation. Yeah, you appreciate your business partners. Mga simpleng bagay lang like say kahit na yung by word of mouth, nasasabihin mo na uh, congratulations, you did it or you did great or congratulate or magandang idea yan o di ba yung mga simpleng mga ganun lang or yung pag-welcome mo pa lang which is yun yung parang tinuturo sa amin because we started with a good culture and that's what we are doing duplication. So yeah, so showing appreciation to your incoming leads na you congratulate them that they were able to enter their name and their email address sa website mo. Yun yung isang importante doon. Just congratulating them is making them feel na they are welcome in your business to check your business. And the other one is um, yung isa is listen. Listen actively. You have to yung mga leads mo, yung mga I'll be talking about the leads. So yung mga leads or mga prospect or mga clients na nag-inquire about your business, you have to listen very carefully and to know what they really need at saka ano ba talaga ang gusto nilang mangyari sa kanilang buhay. Because if you know what they want in life, you know how to deal them. You know how to offer them help, right? So, yun. Tapos, maging totoo ka sa sarili mo. Magpakatotoo ka lang. Ipakita mo lahat kung ano ang totoo. Tulad ng mga ginagawa namin. We are showing who really we are by doing this full life. But tawag dito, we are not scamming people because this is a true story, this is a true opinion, and this is true that we have this business that can change your life for better. And we offer help, yes. Active listening, after actively listening to to your prospect or to your leads, then offer help. Show that you can help, and it's up to them if they will accept what you offer, but at least you lended a hand, or you extended a hand, that you are there to help but not to scam people, diba? So and the other one is the importance ng follow up, kasi kung may nag-inquire sa'yo, may nag-inquire sa'yo at tatanungin about sa business. And then, yes, our business is so easy that you will just get their name and their email address, and you will enter it in your website, and they will receive, walang masyadong baho dito, and they will receive an email offering the business or showing the overview of our business. And but our part is to follow up, to make them feel that we are there, not to make them parang pag ganun, and nakikita nila na you are willing to help them and you are very sincere that this business is truly a life-changing business. So doon pa lang nila makikita. Excuse me, doon pa lang nila makikita. So, doon nila makikita yung ganda ng business. And by doing that, at least na they're also welcome. And they're also welcome to check your business and to see the beauty of your business. Kasi pag minsan mo lang na kinuha yung email nila, or nag-enter ng name, then you will not follow up, then they will say na, hindi naman yata to ano, hindi naman yata totoo. Or at saka sasabihin din nila na hindi naman yata niya tinatrabaho yung business na, is just like posting something, and then mafe-feel nila kung ginagawa mo yung business mo or hindi by just merely following up, di ba? So, yun. At saka, sense of ano rin, parang mararamdaman nila na welcome din sila at saka belong sila sa business na yun. And na wala ding pinipili ang ating business, na kahit na sino pwede. Kaya the importance of following up is really crucial in this business. Even if our system or our proven system is doing mostly of the 90% of the job, of the heavy lifting, o, di ba? So, yun. And then, the other one is staying positive. Always stay positive and confident. Confidence talaga. That you are, you know your business, you know what you are offering, and stay positive that this one could work. Kasi, yung meron kasi yung iba is madaling mag-give up. So, by merely showing that you are positive, and you are very grateful and very thankful that they are there checking your emails or checking your website and watching your videos, then nakakagaan ng loob, di ba? So, yun ang mga magandang gawin pa kapag may mga leads ka. Pero ano naman ang gagawin mo kapag sa mga business partners mo? What do we usually do, to our business partners? And before we're gonna do that, I just wanna say hi to Sis Zappa, who's watching right now on my live, and thank you so much for coming in. Lakay, paki-check man if the sound is clear. Baka mahangin. And yes, I'm here in Presidio Tango Taps, near the starting point of the Golden Gate Bridge. And before nakilala to, it's a military base nung World War II. So nandito kami ngayon. At ngayon ginawang park, magandang maglakad, magandang mag-picnic. So pag makikita niyo sa aking surroundings, ang dami, oh. Ang daming nagpi-picnic, and that's the Golden Gate. So it's covered by the clouds. So every summer, it's so hard to catch that Golden Gate kasi kasi may clouds na may clouds. Pag minsan, very dramatic yung yung Golden Gate, which is a very ano din, very mystical ba ang tawag, or mysterious. Parang mystical din siya na Golden Gate. Kasi depende kung magpapakita sa'yo yan or hindi. So, if nagpakita daw sa'yo yan ng buong buo, you have to say a prayer or you have to make a wish. No? Kasi minsan lang, kasi may mga tao talaga na hindi nakakakita ng buong Golden Gate. It's fully covered na ng ngayon ng clouds, and summer pa naman dito sa San Francisco, so you cannot see it. And this is the beauty of the Presidio National Park, 'di ba? So yeah, that's the Golden Gate covered by the clouds. Yun yung tip, kung nakikita niyo yung tip lang. So you are very lucky when you see that full na buong buo, make a wish daw. Yun ang sabi nila, at magkakatotoo totoo daw ang iyong wish. So, yun. And, yeah, ano nga ba ang gagawin natin? Balik tayo ulit sa topic. Ano nga ba ang gagawin natin sa sa mga business partners natin, or on why is it important to have a good relationship with your business partners? Um, Siyempre, 'di ba, gusto natin ng longer success ng ating business, which is yun yung nakita ko sa ating business na 'to, especially with the company that we are affiliated with, that they are there 50 years in existence. And I was able to see kung bakit 50 years, nagtagal ng 50 years in the industry and still thriving. 'Di ba? At saka lalo pang sumikat nung pandemic. One is inspire your business partners, and which is the only inspire na pakita mo, i-motivate mo din sila, and keep showing that you are also motivated and inspired, and keep them inspired by doing things like this, o, 'di ba? Showing up that you have a business. Show them that you are proud of your business, so that they'll do the same. Oh. So the next one is, yeah, yung sinabi ko kanina, is sense of belongingness. Always appreciate your business partners, even if they're doing those small things. And dito, kahit na we are business owners on our own, we still consider or appreciate those business partners that we have or we are working with. Yun yung kagandahan dito. This is not a competition business. We are all business owners. We are all our own boss. But you know what? We still help each other. We still support each other. And by doing so, yung sense of belongingness, we always welcome those new business partners. And when they started their business, we are always there to guide and support them, especially sa kanilang onboarding. Kasi bago sila it's just like a newly hired person, di ba? So when dealing with a newly hired person, you have to show that they are welcome by lending a hand, or by showing a hand, di ba? Extending your hand to help them, and showing them that they can also do it, and then guide them, orient them on that what they're gonna do, um, and show them that show and share them your strategies, or share them your knowledge on running your business, because that one also will help them be motivated and inspired, and they will feel that they belong on this business. So yun yung pinakagusto kong i-share dito. And there's a question here about a question to myself. But before we're gonna go with the question sa aking sarili. Hello muna kay Sis Rhoda, watching from LA. Hello, Sis Rhoda. And I'm here in San Francisco Golden Gate right now. Woy, magkapit bahay lang tayo. Magkapit barangay. So, there's a question about here. Parang tanong lang ito sa aking sarili. So, what's one relationship in your life that has made the biggest impact on your growth, and did it shape who you are today? So, that is, I think, ganda talaga ng Golden Gate. The video won't justify, pero yun yung tip ng Golden Gate. Hindi lang makita. So, the video won't justify. Oh, I mentioned that the video won't justify what we are talking here personally, and what we are sharing here. When you enter your name and your email address on our website, I'll show first my website, which is the www.josankit.com. You will see the video, and if you will proceed with the step one and step two, you will see a video. And what we are talking or sharing here, it won't justify what you will see on the videos, on the especially on the step two. Step one, maybe you will mabibitin kayo. You will be left hanging in there, and you will get curious enough. But what we are sharing here won't justify the beauty of it. Well, so you have to check it on your own self. You have to enter your name and your email address at www.josankit.com. And especially on step two, you will see the overview of our business. And that is where you can see the beauty of the business. At mamamangha talaga kayo. I'm not joking or anything, because I'm just sharing what I believe, and I'm sharing what I've experienced before I joined this business. So yes, balik lang muna tayo sa question for the day, or question for myself. What's one relationship in your life that has made the biggest impact on your growth, and how did it shape who you are today? So this is the time that uh, I joined this venture. I joined this digital online business. It is because I'm working as a nurse, and I'm an employee for a long time. I don't have any experience with the business, and when I stumbled upon on this business, I was able to see, and started, to the leap of faith. I started this business, and I'm very very thankful. No regrets at all that I joined, because never expected that I really need it, and it will become handy on my pocket. And we know that life is unpredictable. We know that life is inevitable, and this one was able to help me with my supplemental income, especially when my husband got hospitalized and got this major surgery, and I wasn't able to work for 3 months, and my husband didn't work at all. And then sabi ko ngayon is it's okay, as long as anyway we're so lucky that we were able to start this business. And ito na, and we are working on this right now, and I'm still working as a full time. And personal growth, well, siguro sa personal growth, I was able to grow maturely, and was able to learn things that, alam ko late na, but because I was not taught to have a business, so I don't know how to run a business, and I was only taught to become a professional employer. So with this, I was able to see na maganda palang maging boss sa iyong business. So, ang dami kong natutunan, and being responsible enough, aside from being a person, but being responsible enough as professional. Di ba? Naging professional na tayo. Wow. And sa mindset din, growth sa mindset, I was able to become more positive in life when I joined this business. Overview, lahat ng mga overview, naging positive ako. Lahat ng mga nakikita ko, I always see it as a positive. Kahit na may negative na atake or sasabihin sa akin, I always see it as a positive. And kasi dito sa business, it's normal to be rejected, to have rejections. And for me, kasi yun yung unang takot ko, rejection talaga. But engaging into this business, I was able to learn rejections that are, rejections are not hindi hadlang para ituloy ko yung business ko. Pero ito yung nagpatatag sa akin na, wow, maganda pala. Parang nakakatuwa kapag may rejections kasi you are learning. Each rejection is a learning for me. And each rejection is like a building a foundation for me na nagpapatatag sa akin. Parang kapag may rejection akong isa, okay lang yan, isang ano lang yan, isang poste na idadagdag ko sa aking paa para makatayo ng mas matibay. Yun yung iniisip ko na lang kapag may mga rejections. Oh, 'di ba? Parang nagiging roots na siya sa akin. But it's okay for me. It's okay. Rejections now is okay. As long as I've done my part, as long as I've offered, as long as I've showed them that there is a way on how to break that chain and for them to see that there is a life changing opportunity that they can do on their own, o 'di ba? With the help, with the support of us, of people around us like me, o 'di ba? Sa business na to. So yeah, there's a lot of changes that it came to my life, especially yung mindset talaga. At saka yung patience. Patience sayon, patience talaga is a virtue. And in this business, you don't have to depende sa'yo kung gaano mo gusto. Pero as long as you've started, ito yung kagandahan kasi this is the beauty of it. As long as you've started this business, um, hindi nila tinitimbang kung gaano ka kabilis or kung gaano ka kabagal. As long as you're doing your business, kasi sa tao naman, may iba-ibang ano yan, may iba-ibang pace. Tulad ko, I'm a slow learner. Meron din yung iba na mabilis. Gusto nila mabilis. So it's okay. In this business, you can go slow, you can go fast. This is a business that you can go with on your own pace. Kaya hindi ka talaga pressured. Not like other businesses that we will pressure you with your sales quotas, ano to, with your requirements. They pressure you. So yun yung kagandahan dito. Kaya nga less stress ang business na ito and more fun because more fun you can go on these parks, you can go walking, you can go travel around the world with this business and you're doing it already. And yung kagandahan pa, lahat ng mga ginagastos mo. Like for this one, I'm here in San Francisco Golden Gate and we are from Anyo and we used our car to come here with the gas. O, di ba? Tax write-off pang aming gas. So yun yung kagandahan. Oh, 'di ba? And we're having fun. So it's less stress, more fun and more joy. So join us, join our business. And yun yung talagang maganda dito. Ang advice ko, yeah, there's a lot of you will see a lot of digital online businesses thriving nowadays. And I can say na do your due diligence if you're interested or you are aspiring to become an entrepreneur. Ang advice ko lang is maghanap kayo ng business na kung saan hindi kayo mag-isa, na kung saan ang daming tutulong at gagabay sa'yo. 'Di ba? Na ituturing kang isang pamilya. Kasi ngayon, ang dami na talaga eh. Because it's businesses all over and we know that having a business or having a plan B ay maganda. Especially for if you're looking for a retirement or looking for a supplemental income or for me, plan B talaga having a business on the side is a must. So yun yung inaano ko na yeah, look for a business na talagang ituturing kang pamilya at saka magiging komportable ka sa lahat at at may support kang makukuha na you will have that sense of belongingness, sense of inspiration, and you are motivated. So look those people around that business if they have one, 'di ba? At saka ka mag-go. And then check it also aside from doing your assignment na to checking the business if it's a legit or a scam. Yun yung magandang isa pa na the second one. But nowadays, because of this mental health na sinasabi, having a business that is more stress, less stress, more fun and more joy instead of nai-stress ka, then look for one business that has it all. And then I can say that this our business has more fun, more joy, and less stress. Di ba? So come and join us. And yeah, yan yung relationship na having relationship in your life that has made the biggest impact. So my relationship with my business, that is the one. And yes, it shaped me to become a more stronger person, shaped me to become a more motivated one and inspired. And it shaped me a person to be disciplined. Di ba? So, yes. And ito, confidence at saka self-esteem nag-grow sa akin kasi hindi naman ako ganito dati. I don't do lives. I don't show my face live na no special effects, no makeups. Hindi naman talaga ako nag-makeup. I don't do makeups kasi may freckles ako, ang hirap takpan. Uh, Kasi kung kakapalan mo ang makeup mo tapos lalabas ka, mahilig ako bangunan. So, wala din lang silbi. So, yes, shout out lang muna kina Sis Rodaline. Wow, yes, I'm here in San Francisco, Golden Gate. Yes, nalamiis dito, sis. Nalambing nga talaga, naangin pa, gumayat, napintas, kalamot lang nga bagyo. So, Sis Salcon, happy Tuesday, Sis Ja. Wednesday here from Middle East. I know, Wednesday na pala sa inyo dyan. So, yes, today is Tuesday and it's for you to choose which which business will you choose, diba? So that's what I'm leaving the decision to you guys. Which business will you choose? Business that you can have more fun, less stress, and more joy, or business that you're just working alone and business that you just started and you don't know where to start. So I'm letting you to choose if which business do you want. And thank you so much, Sis Rhoda, for sharing my life for today. And yes, I just want to show again the beauty of our San Francisco Golden Gate. Pero nagtago na ang Golden Gate. Na late ako. So, yes, papakita ko lang, I'm here in Presidio Tunnel Tops, which is a known military base back World War II. And ngayon, ginawa na nilang park, where you can walk around and have a date with your hubby, of course. And my hubby is there. And yung Golden Gate, ayun, natakpan na. Ano ba yan? Natakpan na. And yes, today is my first year anniversary in the business. And I'll be counting for more. Siguro aabutin ako yung company 50 years. Maybe for me, siguro yes, aabutin ko din yung 50 years dito sa company na to, and I'm very very pretty sure that my family will continue this business. And and talagang doon kayo mamamangha. Where else can you find a business that you will you will see na ano na bakit tumagal ng ganong katagal. It's because of the relationship of the company to the business partners, di ba? So, and yes, we are an affiliate marketers and we are affiliated with that company, and I don't think na lalayas or ano na to, or maano kami sa company. I think we're gonna stick on that in this business. And yes, so dito ka na, tara all. I know, si Zap is watching. Thank you, Zap. And si Vice, ayun, watching. So, yeah, one part of having a good relationship with the with your ano with your business partners is mahangin yata. Sorry. So one good relationship or having a good relationship with your business partner is respect the boundaries. So yun ang ginagawa ko sa aking business partner, which is my hobby, is respect the boundaries. Talaga, talaga, talaga ginano niya. Kaya yes, you don't have to go live. You don't have to do this, what I'm doing. Um, you don't have to show your face every day on this screen or on the social media. You can do other stuff. Kasi this is a digital online business and there's a lot of social media um, around na pwede mong gamitin. But for me, I want this one kasi very accessible and it's a way of building a trust din. Oh yeah. See, the very most important thing is the trust kung bakit umabot ng 50 years ang company na to. It's because of the trust that the company built to his distributors, to his business partners. And yeah, balik muna tayo doon. Respect the boundaries and respect the yun, kaya nirespeto ko na lang because he doesn't want to show his face in the camera. So it's okay. Sabi niya mas mabilis daw kung ako ang magsalita. so so yes, and the most important thing, building trust to your ito para sa lahat na sa kabuuan, to your company because you are a boss on your own, CEO of your own. You are kaya you have to trust your company, you have to trust yourself, and you have to trust the business that you have. Yan, self trust muna. Kasi kapag meron kang self-trust, you are confident enough to show it to the world that you are a proud digital business owner. Because if not, nagtatago ka pa sa lungga mo, hindi ko alam kung anong mangyayari na lang sa business mo. Sayang naman, 'di ba? You have this very beautiful, very generous company na hindi mo ipapakita, na hindi mo i-share, sayang naman na hindi makita ng mga ibang tao, ng buong mundo. So, yun, self-trust muna. Tapos yung building trust to the leads. How will you build the trust to your leads? Like this. I'm showing my face every day to this because this is what I want to build trust to my audience. That I am here showing that this is not a scam, this is legit, na totoo po. And I'm here in the Golden Gate. Baka sasabihin niyo na naman na ano to, oh, background lang yan. Or, oh, banner lang yan. Hindi po, totoo. Pero, pero nagtago ang Golden Gate sa akin. So, 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 yun, ang building trust. Because I want to build the trust to my audience. That's why I'm showing this. I'm showing my face to the world that I am a proud digital business owner and I have an opportunity, a life-changing opportunity that you can check on my website. So, yon. Tapos, building trust to your business partners. How will you do that? 'Di ba? By mainly communicating with them every now and then. Mainly checking on them that, hey, are you okay with your business? Or, hey, what can I do? Offering help. What can I do to help you? Or what can I share to help you? Or sabihin niyo na ano ba ang kulang or is there anything? Yung check mo lang na kumusta ka? Oh, kumusta lang na word sa business partners mo that would help a lot because you don't know if your business partner is thriving where. Thriving ba sa buhay na may problema pala kaya hindi niya kayang mag-business? Or nahihirapan pala siya na hindi niya alam kung saan magsimula dahil katulad ko din na mahihain dati na hindi niya alam kung kailan siya magpo-first step, na hindi niya alam kung ano ang gagawin niya. And especially those people na nag-join ng business pero hindi sila ganun ka-tech savvy because this is a social media and we know that there are people who wants the business but they don't know how to run it. 'Di ba? Kasi yung alam nila yung yung lumang paraan ng pagbi-business. So we have to offer help also to our business partner. That is one of the way of building relationship, o, 'di ba? So thank you so much Sis Rhoda for sharing and share you Yikes, nakahabol. Oo nga, nakahabol. Last minute. Ganun eh. Hello, hello from Oakley. Yes, sis, I'm here in Presidio, Tango Tops. Medyo mahangin. Sorry, pasensya po. Pero I just wanna show that we are real and we are really here. Tulad ng intro ko kanina, are you dreaming of seeing or gusto nyo bang makita ang Golden Gate ng personal? At saka nakikita nyo lang sa banner. At saka nung sabi ko kanina sa aking intro is, sa tingin niyo ba guni-guni lang 'to na nandito kayo, na nakikita niyo ang Golden Gate? Or yung isa is postcard. Do you only want to see this on postcards? But there's something that we want to offer you that will make possibly your dream come true to see this Golden Gate as what I'm doing right now, that I'm here and watching the Golden Gate na nakaboard na ng clouds. O, di ba? So, yeah. So, tama. Be proud. Yes, be proud of the business that you have because it's really a gold mine. It's really a life-changing business. um, only you have to do is to work it out. Kasi isang path lang naman ang susundan natin eh. And we are here to support you. And we are motivating you every day. We are inspiring you every day, guys. So come on, show up. Ganun eh, nagalit na, Nox. Next. But yes, I'm just encouraging everyone, especially my business partners, that there are ways that you can do and run your business. Kasi social media is very broad naman yan. Ang daming mga paraan. And I just want you to start and just approach us if you have any problems or you don't know how to do it. We'll do it all together. So yun. So dating mode while showing up sa business for a few minutes. I love it. Yes, I know, right? Especially that this is my first year, and that's what I'm telling that the company that we're affiliated with is 50 years. I think I will stick with them. Aabutin ko din yung 50 years na yan sa kanila, o, di ba? So, watching from London Bridge naman ako. Wow, bongga! Bongga, mas bongga yan, o, di ba? O, tingnan mo. Kaya manifest it and it will come true, o, di ba? And pray for it. Pray specifically what you are praying for. And gawin mo ng mataimtim. Specific na wag lang yung general na gusto kong manalo ng loto, 'di ba? Yung lagi naming sinasabi at pinagtatawanan ni na Ken na don't pray specifically kung ano talaga ang gusto mo at saka kung ano talaga ang kasi yan din yung manifesting eh. Pag sinabi mo na gusto kong manalo ng loto o ilan ang gusto mong mapanalunan pero pag pinapanalo ka ni Lord ng $10 lang, o, di ba? Dapat specific. Kung gusto mo talaga yung $1 million, pray for it that you want to win Lotto, $1 million. But before you will win the Lotto, ginawa mo ba ang action mo? Nag-take action ka ba? Bumili ka ba ng ticket or ng Lotto ticket? O, di ba? So, yun. Parang sample lang on what we are praying for every day. We have to pray specifically and we have to take action. We have to step forward. So, yes, that is what I want to share right now. And just check on my website, www.josankit.com. And yeah, that is my question. I was able to answer that one. So I'm a proud digital business owner and a mentor where we help individuals to check and to see this beautiful, life-changing business that we have today, this generation, especially in this generation. So, yun lang po. And showing you again the beauty. Yun, natakpan na ng clouds yung Golden Gate. Kaya wala kayong makikita. Tsaka yung yung mga mamamasyal dito, kapag nakita nyo daw yung Golden Gate na buong buo, you have to make a wish. Kasi pag minsan hindi nagpapakita, siguro it depends on the person. What's the aura of the person? Or what's the mood of that person? Kasi kaya siya tinatawag na mystical bridge din pag minsan kasi nagtatago, pag minsan halfway lang, pag minsan yung maganda buo. Yan. So, thank you so much for coming into my live. And today, oh my gosh, tomorrow will be another day. 1 year ko na sa business, and I can say that I will be staying here. This is my business already. I will not look for another business, and I can say that there's so many big wins that happened during that 1 year. There are ups and downs, pero nakakatuwa, nakakasaya, nakakabigay hindi naman regrets, or hindi naman mga failures talaga, but those are learnings that I've learned from the business. Thank you so much, and I hope to see you tomorrow again. And yeah, wag nang pagtumpik-tumpik pa. 'Di ba? Wala nang sana all diyan. Dapat tara all, 'di ba? And then the last word, grow through what you go through. 'Di ba? Bumangon ka sa mga pagsubok na dumaan sa at maging strong, 'di ba? And get better and stronger as you get up from the failures that you've experienced. So thank you so much, everyone, and I hope to see you again tomorrow. Yeah, last messages. Hi, yeah, you can go. So thank you. So, so sa mga shout out lang sa mga nandito sa live before I leave. Aba, happy anniversary in DGBs. Congratulations. Yes, I know this is my first year anniversary. Thank you so much. And where's VP? Yun nga, respect the boundaries. Holding the camera. Of course, siya ang nag-hold para hindi balipad ang ang camera. And happy anniversary, sis. Thank you, sis. And go lang tayo, sis. And yes, I watched your vital insights, and wow, ang nakakatuwa. Lahat ng nursepreneurs are now conquering the digital space. Oh my gosh, I was so surprised that wow, ang dami nating mga nurses. So, yun lang. Oh my gosh, di ba? Magtataka kayo, bakit ang daming nurses? Ang dami-daming mga nurses ang nandito sa business na to. Because dahil we want to break that change. That chain. Na tulad ng aking mentor coach na si Sis Gina Bertel. Na sinasabi nila, sawa ka na ba sa paulit-ulit na takbo ng buhay mo na gusto mo nang bumigay? Oh, ito yun. That is why we want to break that chain. And that is why you are wondering why there are so many nurses in this business, are joining in this business, because they found that there's a hope, that there's a way to break that chain, that they can regain that time and financial freedom that they've lost, even if working hard in the nursing in their nursing career. So, yun. So, yes, hope to see you again tomorrow, and thank you so much for all the greetings. And I'm praying that sana maraming mag-check sa aking manifest ko na I will be a millionaire on this business. So thank you so much. If you want to join me on this millionaires success, if you want to join me on this millionaires journey, then join our business. Check that www.josankit.com business. Just your email. Your email is just to receive that information alone, to see the overview of our business. And if you want to learn how to change your life, proceed to step 2. If you want to success and join me on this millionaire success, proceed proceed to step 3. Oh, yan ang natutunan ko kay coach, mentor na si Roger, di ba? So yun, only step 3. So yes, just check that website, and thank you, and have a good day and blessed Tuesday, everyone. Choose what you want, to stay on that, to be stagnant, or to be progressive and to have a success in life. So, yun lang. Thank you so much, and have a good day from here in Presidio Tanotaps, Golden Gate. Thank you. Bye-bye.